My name is Justin Wentworth. I'm the CEO of Wentworth Automotive. My dad started this shop in 1998. It was just him and one other mechanic. Grew that year, and I started working here in '99, and we've grown to 7 employees now, and it's been 23 years of success. I think what makes us unique is our commitment to excellence. We use the highest quality parts. We have the best trained technicians, and that allows us to give our customers a 100,000-mile warranty on parts and labor. You're not going to get that anywhere else. It's really industry leading in our opinion. One of our core values is ask for and set clear expectations. And when I wrote that value, communication is very important with customers to talk about their vehicles so that everybody is on the same page. This is really how we operate in every aspect, whether it's dealing with our customers, dealing with our workers, to our vendors. This is our way of letting everybody know that this is what we stand for. Wentworth Automotive has been serving the Claremont and Kearny Mesa area of San Diego for over 23 years. Feel free to set up a reservation online or give us a call if you have any questions. We'd love to hear from you.